Dell 5640 is a model Inspiron family, and it is also a popular model, especially in Asia. Dell Inspiron 5640 it just went on sale recently. Dell Inspiron 5640 boasts high-resolution screen with superior brightness. It has screen 16.0-inch 1610 FHD Plus 1920 by 1200 non-touch. Dell Inspiron 5640 has RAM 16GB DDR5, 5200 MHz, 2x8GB support up to 32GB and Intel Core 7 processor 150U, 12MB case 10 cores Intel graphics, storage 1TB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. Dell Inspiron 5640 laptop have a nice keyboard with good travel. It has good brightness. With a 54W8 15V battery for cell AN, the battery life on the Dell Inspiron 5640 expect around 3 to 4 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Dell Inspiron 5640 offers a selection of USB 3.2 ports, Type-C, HDMI, and headphone/microphone jack port, along with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity, and it also equipped with a camera webcam, 1080p 30fps FHD camera, Bluetooth compatibility, and the most recent Wi-Fi standard are examples of wireless connectivity, and they may also feature a number of other tools. This is just my opinion. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.